In this video, I will be showing you how to sign in to Deepseek AI. Let's get started. I am currently on the login page of Deepseek. First, I click on the field labeled phone number, email address and enter my email address. Next, I click on the password field and type in my password. Once both fields are filled out correctly, I navigate down and click the blue login button. After clicking the login button, the interface transitions smoothly, and I am brought directly to the main Deepseek chat interface. The sidebar on the left displays my account details and past chat history, showing that I have successfully signed in. Next, I click on the small menu icon at the top left of the sidebar to collapse it, providing a clean, full-screen view of the main workspace. Now, I position the cursor inside the main chat box labeled Message Deepseek. I click into the text box and begin typing a prompt. I enter the question, recommend 10 skills that will likely be valuable in the next 10 years and explain why. After finishing the prompt, I click the blue arrow button on the right side of the input field to submit the query. The AI immediately begins generating a highly detailed response in real time. I scroll down slowly to read through the generated content. Deepseek outlines an insightful introductory paragraph before breaking down the specific skills. The first point is strategic friction, followed by biological interface literacy. As I continue to scroll, the third skill, legacy architecture translation, becomes visible, along with the fourth point, manual dexterity and hyperlocal repair, and the fifth, narrative collapse management. Further down, the sixth point is intergenerational empathy, followed by synthetic data curation as the seventh point. I keep scrolling down to review the rest of the response. The eighth skill listed is regulatory agility, the ninth is cognitive off-ramping, and the 10th is embodied intuition. Finally, I review the concluding meta skill section at the very bottom, which ties all the points together nicely and finishes the comprehensive analysis. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.